Okay, so this is my bike. Okay, I thought I would do a video about because some people are interested in the displays. Let me just change this. Okay, so there are basically, as far as I know, three different types of displays, three or four of them. So if your display looks like this is how you get into it. Okay, so firstly, you turn it on. And if you want to get to the settings, you need to press the positive and negative buttons at the same time for 2 seconds. So TC means trip counter. So this is where you reset the trip counter. If you want to move through the menu, you press the up and down buttons. UN is and if you want to go into it, you press the I button to enter the menu. UN represents units, so miles or kilometers, and BL represents the backlight, so how bright the backlight is. See, dim, whatever, press I, that's it. If you'd like to go into the deeper level menu, you need to press and hold this again for another 2 seconds. So now you're in the deeper level menu, which is where it controls this is the voltage. VOL means voltage, right? So that's basically the voltage of the battery, like what you see up here. PSD is the password when you turn it on. Hang on, let me go in order. So that's voltage. So I had to write it down because I actually forget it. Okay. There you go. So SCA is the assistance settings, like how much power it gives you in certain modes, like 1 to whatever. CUR is the current limit, so how much current is the controller sending to the motor. PA5 is pedal assistance setting, so how the pedal is working. SP5 is speed sensor settings, so it's about how the sensitivity of the speed sensor and how many speed sensors you have. HND is the handlebar assistance settings. This is the general system settings, and like I said, that one's the password, power on password, right? So if you'd like to, for example, change the wheel diameter, because the wheel diameter was programmed wrong for some reason, okay, what you have to do is you have to turn it off, turn it on. You need to press the power and minus at the same time, and then you need to press the I button and the minus at the same time for another 2 seconds. Okay, so LD represents the diameter of the wheel, limit diameter. So I've had it at 22 inches because that's where I found that it's most accurate. Then if you want to go down the same way, you use this to go up and down. LS means limit speed. So I've limited the speed to 55 miles an hour. I haven't really noticed a difference because I get up to about 30 and that's about it, because this bike it's very difficult to go over 30 miles an hour. Basically, if you do the calculations, you have a 35 amp battery, so 35 amp battery plus the controller, which is inside here, is a 29 amp controller maximum, 28 plus 1, so 29 amp. When you do the calculations, it's only 1,500, so that although the motor is a 2,000 watt motor, it's not going to that but yeah, you would go in here, you'd press the I button, and then you change the speed, whatever you wanted, 60, whatever. So now I'm at 60 kilometers, and then I button again, and when you want to exit, you just turn it off, turn it on. If you want to get the voltage mode, which I do like, because then you actually know the actual voltage of the bicycle, you just press the I button, and then you'd get to. So the battery is at 48 volts. So yeah, that's it. I hope this helps. See you later. Bye bye.